Sitting and talking in front of a camera, this is something I usually wouldn't do. But then this video is all about something I usually wouldn't do. This video, I'm gonna dye my hair blue. Previously I had dyed my hair pink, but as you can see it is totally faded and turned into this reddish brown color. So when I previously dyed my hair, I got it done at a professional salon, but what they did was they picked up some hair randomly and bleached it and then made it pink to give that shine to the hair. But then it is so much harder for me now to choose those hair and bleach it again and turn it blue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see the parts which are mostly golden. I'm gonna choose those parts and bleach them and leave the other parts as it is, because it's like a brownish color, so it won't do any harm. Okay, so we got this step 1 pack and this is the step 2 pack. This is okay, so this is 2 conditioner packs that they give for some reason. These are the gloves that they gave, and in the first part we have the developer and the bleach powder, the blonder powder as it says, and this is the brush, step 1 brush that we will use to bleach our hair, and this is the one we will use to color our hair. One says we have to mix the developer and the blonder powder in 1:2 ratio. First, what I have done is I've sectioned my hair into 3 parts. This is one part, this is the other part, and this is the other part. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip this thing and start with this part first. I'll collect about this much of the hair and leave this thing off. I'll start with this much of hair. First I'm gonna put on the gloves. Okay, so here I'm using the step 1 brush and applying the bleach in an up and down motion, and then I have wrapped my bleached hair with some silver foil. I kept the bleach for about 30 minutes. I did not keep it for a longer time because I want it to be a little yellowish, so that I end up with teal blue color and not sapphire blue. To dilute the color that they have provided, I am adding 1 packet of conditioner. After the bleach is done, I have dried my hair, blow dried my hair. This entire process is actually very hard, and that is why I did not film the entire process. But yeah, this is how I dyed my hair. Okay, so as you guys can tell, this is what my hair turned out like. Okay, so I kept the color for about 30 minutes and then I washed my hair with a L'Oreal Color Protect shampoo, and the bathroom floor looked like a Smart was killed there. So yeah, this is how it turned it out like, and I absolutely love the teal blue color, and some parts are golden brown, and the hair kind of gives a peacock vibe. Like there are blues, there are greens, and then there are greenish goldens. I am absolutely in love with my hair. I think it looks way better than what it looked like before I dyed my hair blue. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Also guys, check out these earrings. I am absolutely in love with how these earrings look. It is a polymer clay earring from my own collection. Let me know if you want a video on just the collection, just the earring collection. I'm definitely gonna make one. Absolutely love this. I will not recommend you to do this at home because it's very difficult, especially if you have this long hair. Then it's going to be very difficult for you to manage. But if you have someone to help, then go for it. I mean, it looks pretty good. Okay, so this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.